I was going for a more subtle look, and the makeup brushes just got carried away, and here we are.
He done hooked me up. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It's Kutloano over here, and it is my birthday, and that's on period. So guys, I haven't vlogged in a while, and I am vlogging now. And this girl is recording me. But we are having breakfast for my birthday, and that's on period. Say hi for the channel.
Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. City from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Trying to come the same day as Jack, rethinking. You don't need G-Von.
Hi guys, so we just finished with breakfast. I'm on my way to do my nails, and I am so late. My appointment was 11 o'clock, and now it's 11:30. I am so late. But anyway,
You need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Tell me why you're crying, how can it big deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Can't you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened.
so guys, I'm done with my makeup. It's official. I am done with my makeup, and I done slapped. I done snapped. Okay, it was not my intention. Okay, it genuinely pisses me off, the dirty mirror, guys. Like, even every day I try and I try, this mirror just fights me. But anyway, I was going for a more subtle look, and the makeup brushes just got carried away, and here we are. You know, I haven't had makeup in a while, so I'm not mad. Okay, I just want to show you guys the fit for the day. Coming up, I got this. Not that you guys asked or anything, but I'm gonna do this. I got this oversized, whatever you can call it, from Shein. Yeah, I got this from Shein. I got this. Where did I get this from? I don't know where I got this from. I don't remember where I got this from. And then I got my tights. I don't remember where I got my tights from. And then I got my shoes. My kicks. So, yeah.
So guys, today we're going to my friend's chill night, game night. I don't know what to call it, but we're just going for a game night. It's gonna be chilled vibes, nothing too hectic. You guys know my friend. If you guys do not know this friend, then you're not an OG subscriber to my channel. But it's Olwami. Yeah, that's what the vibes are saying. I'm so excited to see her. So my birthday was last week Friday. Her birthday was on Monday and she's celebrating today, guys. So the time now is, didn't I turn this watch on? Okay, the time now is 4:20. She said we can start getting there around 5, but I'm gonna get there around 6 because there's something I want to do before I go to her. So I was supposed to leave the house at 4, but the person I'm supposed to meet up with is running late. So that just means we wait.
If they want more than, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again. With your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the drum.
Hi guys, and welcome to a new day. Guys, it is so cold outside. Today's a Monday morning and we are pushing academics. We are pushing schoolwork. I am so sorry guys that I forgot to vlog yesterday. So when I got to my friend's house, I even forgot to I am vlogging. It was just so much fun, and I think it was just something where I just needed to be in the moment. Yeah, so I didn't vlog. So today we are starting with my assignment. I have 2 assignments due next week, Monday and Tuesday. I hope you guys are good and warm in this cold weather. Hi guys. So I decided to work down here because of the heater, firstly. And I don't know, hopefully it will help me concentrate, I hope.
What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and you feel things. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Call my name. Fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you,
Please, can I just say one thing about the guy who does my hair? He done hooked me up. He done hooked me up, guys. Ugh, I wish I was going somewhere like on a date or something. Like, this is so disappointing that I'm just going home. He hooked me up, guys.
These are even fake.
Hi, Bo. You?
It's not but
Just got flowers.
one has like tall.
I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle light. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. Man said, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find a pick up at 5. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
Hey guys, and welcome to a new day. So I just got a package. I just got a package and I'm so happy. So these are the items I picked, which I'm gonna unbox with you guys today. I am so excited. I mean, who doesn't love getting gifts, guys? Who does not love getting gifts? I'm kind of in a rush now. 2 reasons. One, there's gonna be load shedding at 4 o'clock. It's currently 3:30, and I wanted to do this unboxing quickly before that, and because I know if I don't do it now, I'm just gonna procrastinate it and end up not doing it. And I need to go to the mall. So I know I was in the mall in like the previous few clips, but there's a few things that I did not get that I need to get. So this time it's more groceries, guys. So yeah, it's not fun and games, it's strict stuff. Okay, let's, without further ado, let's unbox this thing. Guys, it is so cold and I took such a long bath. You can literally see with my hands. Okay, so this is Isabella. I forgot the name. Isabella something. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm fucking dynamite. I play up and don't lie. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching. Hello, Belle. Oh, it's Isabella Garcia International. That's the brand's name. Hello Bell exfoliating silicone brush. So I chose this silicone brush. Guys, honestly, I thought it was gonna be bigger. It just looks so much bigger in the picture. But I love the packaging because it's pink. And if you know me, you know I love pink. So that's what I love. It says cleanse and revive for expert cleansing, skin rejuvenation, and mechanical exfoliation. Guys, I actually honestly thought it was bigger than this. Like, I'm so disappointed. Like, I thought it was bigger than this, but it's fine. So this is the silicone brush. It's pretty. So this part you use to apply like your face mask or whatever it is that you're applying on your skin. And then it's got like the many brushes, and then it's actually soft, guys. And a small one over here. And then here at the back, it has like instructions about how to use it. Oh, the small brush to achieve perfect lip exfoliation. So I guess you brush your lips with this side. Okay. The next item I got is this lipstick, lip gloss. See. Guys, I already have lipstick on, so this is actually not the smartest idea. I hope you guys love it. Okay, I hope I look good because I actually can't see it's on me. I hope it doesn't have color. Okay, that's the second item. Then the third item is this perfume, Isabella Perfume de Signature Collection. It says young, vibrant, and mesmerizing. Okay guys, we just want to smell it. Honestly speaking, I can read this on my own. So this is how it looks. This is cute. How do you open this? Okay, the lid is kind of cute. It's giving that smoky. It's giving smoky. Even the perfume smells nice, guys. Let's try it on for the first time. Going to the mall, so it's not a waste. It's nice. It's subtle. It's not too strong. It's nice. Okay.
nice. It smells like perfume, like, you know, like serious perfume. Like, okay, but it's nice. It is very nice. Just want to put this back. It is very nice, guys. And then there's a card in here. The card. It says, "A sincere thank you, my dearest friend. Thank you for allowing us to be your beauty advisors and mentors. It is our mission to surround you with everything you could possibly need to be your best and most beautiful self. We hope your delivery will fill your days with style, elegance, and charisma. Love always, Isabella." This is so cute. Guys, this is so cute. It is super cute. Thank you so much, Isabella, for this gift. Okay, guys, I'm ready to leave now. So I just changed my sweater to this one over here, my oversized sweater. Quick, easy. We're just running out the house and we're coming back. Okay. My bag, you guys must know this bag by now. Tights and my kicks. That's the outfit for today. We are out of here, and yeah. Hey guys, I just got to the mall. I need to put this ticket in my bag, otherwise it's going to stay in this car. I actually hope that the mall is not busy, but this is the time people not go from work. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But yeah, I also need to make sure I have 10 rand, guys, for this parking ticket. Trust me to leave the house without checking whether or not I have the mola. I just need to put my card. Then we are set to go. Where do I put it? You know one thing about me, I will have more than one tassa in this bag. I think let me leave one tassa here where I don't see it so that I don't take it out. And we are good to go. We are good to go. Guys, I didn't vlog. I did not vlog. I'll explain to you why. Guys, there's nothing funny in Cyril's economy. There's nothing that is funny in Cyril's economy. Your groceries are expensive. I don't know about y'all. But groceries are more expensive. And now it comes to a point when I'm even comparing prices of stuff from one shop to another. Like the last time I bought 6-pack milk was at Woolworths, and it was cheaper at Woolworths than it was at Checkers, because today I said the budget is low, we are not touching any of those shops, we're going straight to Checkers. Guys, Checkers is not cheap. Checkers and Pick n Pay, I've noticed Checkers just has many of those specials like buy one, buy three, get a discount. Pick n Pay, I don't know, but Pick n Pay is far, so I didn't even think of going to Pick n Pay because Pick n Pay is far. Spar, we didn't even think about Spar because there is no way. Guys, my best bill was Checkers, and I think milk, a 6-pack of milk at Woolworths right now is cheaper than at Checkers. Because I bought that 6-pack, I think, a month ago. And I spent more today than I did a month ago. But I was lazy to go from shop to shop because I had already went to 3 different shops. There was no way I was going to go to Woolworths just for milk. Damn, guys. Damn. Nothing is funny in Cyril's economy. Nothing is funny. Anyway, I'm headed home. I didn't get everything I needed, but I got most of the stuff, so I'm grateful for that. Yeah, other things that I bona, you know, as time goes. But in the shook, I am shocked. Anyway, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here for today because I'm going home and I don't think I'm gonna do anything productive.